last time you saw this car?
So last time was a fit check of the frame onto the chassis. So
that was a while ago.
A long time ago. Yeah, but it's way different now.
So first impressions?
It's absolutely amazing. So it looks so sharp.
All right, we'll go for a ride here.
Starter code. Yeah.
One,
2, 3.
one.
Is this on? Are we on?
Cut to the band.
You're assuming I know what I'm doing.
You just have to look like you know what you're doing.
True.
The rest of it's in the editing.
Last one testament. Okay, ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Cradle points, okay. Ease it down onto the cradle. Slow, smooth.
Oh, you're crunch. The camera. Oh, the camera.
Oh, really?
Yep. Can we go back up a little bit?
Had to be something minor like that, huh? All this planning, all this. All right, as we go down. That's my burn. That's 4 days later. I'm trying to keep it moist, peroxide and whatnot. But that's just part of welding. You're gonna get burned. What you try to prevent is getting burned badly. Lila, hi. Hi. There's Lucy's. All right, guys. Come on. What do you think,
That's
Gabe?
impressive. That's very impressive.
I love it.
Yeah, absolutely. Very unique.
Super unique.
It's got some. It's a machine with a lot of capability.
Yeah, I'm a little timid with it still. I mean, I don't want to break anything, of course, but
Right.
yes, I mean, you saw second was 65, 70, third was 80 within,
Yeah.
and it's still, I mean, we were still in the back of the seat.
Right. With lots to go.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
Thanks for coming, dude.
Hey, you bet. Thanks for.
We'll wind down here.
It's super impressive.